Hello guys, this is Cherry and
This is Let's Go Shiva.
welcome to the channel. So today we are going to talk about how to avoid accidents actually, and before getting into that, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, subscribe and click the notification button too, and follow me on Instagram. Today Shiva is going to help me to make this video. He's going to shoot the full video. He is also having a YouTube channel. If you want to check out, I'll keep the link in the description. Please go and check out a great channel. So let's get into this. So guys, before getting into the video, first we want to see the causes of accidents. I'll list out. The first one is inattentive, and the second one is speeding, third one is lane manners, fourth one is indications. So like this we can separate the things. Now I'm gonna say about the indications first. First, it is a normal kind of thing that you people should learn. So you are having indicators in your bike. Why you won't use indicators when you're taking right turn or else left turn like that? Why people won't use indicators? You have to use. And then the lane manners, you should not do so close calls and all. You should maintain some distance between you and another vehicle, because it is very important to maintain distance. If we suddenly braking, you can brake, you can be in control, and you have to be very attentive while driving. You should not, your attention should not distracted by anything, like if a girl is passing through by this lane or that lane. You should not look into those things and all. You have to be very attentive while you are driving. And then coming to speeding, in this hurry-burry life, everyone wants to drive very fast. Everyone wants to reach the destination very fast. So we have to take care of ourselves. No one can do that. So what we have to do is, there are lanes, fast lane and slow lane. We should know the basic lane manners. Everyone should learn that. We should follow the lane manners really. If you are a slow driver, you should go in a slow lane. If you are gonna cross above 80, it's not recommendable. But then also, if you are gonna cross above 80 in a highway, you have to be in right side. And overtaking, if you are gonna overtake a vehicle, you should not go and overtake from left side. It's a highly dangerous thing that you are gonna do, because anyone can come left side. If someone can coming from that side, you won't be able to know that. So what will happen? Exactly, you are gonna crash him. So while you are overtaking some vehicles, you have to take right side and you have to indicate your vehicle. So these are the things you should keep in your mind. The first thing is you have to be very attentive while you are driving, and the second thing is you should learn the indications. Third thing is you have to maintain some distance from the other vehicle, and the fourth thing is lane manners, and the fifth thing is overtaking technique. You should not overtake this. So as I said, you should overtake from the right side. So you have to learn these things. So apart from all these things, braking is very important, and many of them said in my last video, that braking video, that you should need an ABS. Yes, of course you need an ABS, but then what is your role if ABS is there? Braking is an art, so art of motorcycle. You have to learn that, and then you can go for ABS in slippery areas. Actually, how you should brake in slippery areas? Actually, you have to maintain some speed limit in slippery areas. You should not cross that speed limit. Then only it will happen. If you cross the speed limit and if you braked and if you fell down, it will happen. Of course, it will happen in slippery areas. So you have to maintain some speed. You should not cross that speed limit. Close calls. Many of them used to do close calls. Many of them love to do close calls, but then it is not really very safe. You have to maintain distance. If he is gonna brake suddenly in front of you, if someone is driving a car or else a lorry, if he is braking suddenly, you have to be in that distance that you can get attentive and you can brake. You have to maintain that distance. You should not do close calls, or else you should not follow him like something very close to him. You should not drive very close to him. So you have to maintain some distance between you and another vehicle. If accident was happened, everything will happen in seconds. Everything will be happen in seconds. You will be panic at that situation. What you should do, how you should react at that time. First, when you are falling down, your body position, how your body position should be. I'm gonna say that. First of all, you have to wear helmet for sure and have a riding jacket. It will save you really. As you people know, I have met with an accident. The helmet saved me, and my bag which I was wearing, it saved me. So I'm gonna show you the body position, how the body position should be. Now I'm gonna show you how you should react when you're falling down. So first of all, if something happened, if someone crashed you now, something happened, you should not be very panic at that time. It used to happen, probably you will be in panic situation. But then also, if you know that you're gonna crash for sure, the thing what you have to do is you should not think about your bike, what will happen to that, and you should not stick to your bike first of all. If someone is crashing me, let me show you a demo. So now just imagine that this bike came in front of me without my knowledge. When I was unattentive, this bike came in front of me suddenly, all the way sudden, and I'm gonna crash that bike. What I should do is, first I was to think about braking, okay? But if it's not gonna happen, if you thought that it's gonna happen, it's not gonna happen. Everything in milliseconds, everything will be happen, okay? You have to be very attentive. So if you're gonna fall down now, see, you're falling down, and you should leave the bike. Oh my god, you should leave the bike fully, okay? You should not stick with the bike. First of all, you should leave the bike fully down. Now see, you're not gonna fall in this way as I'm showing, but then also the body positioning. I'm coming to the body positioning. Actually, when you're falling down, you should keep your hands like this, in this way, because you should not go on. If you're gonna hit in some stones or something else, it should not affect your this part, and this part will be covered with helmet, because this part is very important. And if you are wearing a bag, it will be very safe to you. And let me show you very clearly. So while you're falling down, you should be like this way, so you can roll, okay? At that time, what will happen? Nothing will happen to you. You will be safe, because I have did the same. When I'm gonna fall down, I just did the same thing. I just took my hands like this, and just I have bended my legs. I did the same. So you can roll. Nothing will happen at that time. If you're gonna keep your hand, and if you're gonna try to stop yourself, you're gonna end up with hurting your hands, your elbows, all those things. So you should be very compact, like compact bag. You should be like this. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you people. After all these things, many things can happen. We can't judge anything. So always wear helmet, good helmet, and a riding jacket for sure, because anything can happen. It will save you from that. So life is very important. So wear helmet always. So follow these things. You should be very attentive, and you should be knowing how to brakings. You should learn lane manners. First of all, you should maintain distance and practice this. At that, how to say, in panic situations, really it will help you when you are falling down. The body position, really it will help you. I hope you people like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you are thinking that your friend is riding fast, tell him to don't ride fast, and tell him to watch this video, and share this video as much as you can. Follow me on Instagram. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click the notification button. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you people in the next video. Till that, signing off, your Cherry. Bye bye. And thank you so much, Shiva, for making this video. And I'll leave that link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe him also. Bye bye.
Sorry, okay, fine.
Recording,
Recording.
Hello guys, this is Cherry and சொல்றா
ஓ கொஞ்சம் கிட்ட வந்து
okay. Hello guys, this is Cherry and
என்ன